let's go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get that bird. Go get that bird. Let's go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Go get that bird. Go get it. Let's go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get that bird. Go get it. Let's go get it. Oh, come on. It's a grumpy boy. Yes, it's a grumpy boy. See, no blood. He don't bite. He nibbles, but he don't bite. Yeah. Only mean birds bite, huh? Ooh. 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 Yeah. Get to nibble and you get to chew, huh? Great combination. Yeah. Go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get that bird.
There's a collection from me.
Let's go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Go get that bird. Go get it. Oh, go get that bird. Oh, good to get that bird.
Look, I'm sorry, but there's really no other profession. She'll be fine.
Let's go get that bird. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go get that bird. Let's go get that bird. Let's go get it.
Sanctuary, all new Mondays at 10, only on Sci-Fi.
Let's go get that bird. Let's go get that bird. Come on. Come on. What? My home bird.
Subway Orchard Chicken Salad Sub, a refreshingly delicious part of a Subway.